Welcome to our exploration of the digitalization of manufacturing processes. In today's fast-paced world, industries are embracing digital technologies to transform traditional manufacturing. This shift is not just about adopting new tools, but about reimagining how products are designed, produced, and delivered. Digitalization is revolutionizing every aspect of manufacturing, from the shop floor to the supply chain. In this video, we'll take you through the journey of how digitalization is shaping the future of manufacturing, the technologies involved, and the benefits it brings to businesses and consumers alike. Let's dive in and see how the digital revolution is unfolding in factories around the globe. Digitalization in manufacturing refers to the integration of digital technologies in all areas of production. This means using data, automation, and smart systems to improve efficiency and quality. It's not just about replacing paper with computers, but about creating a connected environment where machines, systems, and people communicate seamlessly. Digitalization enables manufacturers to collect real-time data, monitor processes, and make informed decisions quickly. This transformation is paving the way for smarter, more agile factories that can respond rapidly to market changes and customer demands. Manufacturing has come a long way from manual labor and simple machines. Over the decades, we've seen the rise of assembly lines, automation, and now digitalization. Each stage has brought new levels of productivity and efficiency. Today, digital technologies are enabling manufacturers to go beyond automation, connecting every part of the production process. This evolution is not only about technology, but also about changing mindsets and business models to stay competitive in a digital world. Several cutting-edge technologies are at the heart of digitalizing manufacturing. These include the Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, AI, robotics, and cloud computing. IoT connects machines and devices, allowing them to share data and work together. AI helps analyze vast amounts of information, making predictions and optimizing processes. Robotics automates repetitive tasks, while cloud computing enables data storage and access from anywhere. Together, these technologies are creating smarter, more flexible manufacturing environments. Data is the lifeblood of digital manufacturing. Every machine, sensor, and system generates valuable information. By collecting and analyzing this data, manufacturers can gain insights into their operations, identify inefficiencies, and predict maintenance needs. Real-time data allows for quick decision-making and continuous improvement. With the right data, companies can optimize production, reduce waste, and deliver higher-quality products to customers. Smart factories are the result of digitalization in manufacturing. These are highly automated and connected environments where machines, systems, and people work together seamlessly. In a smart factory, production lines can adjust automatically to changes in demand, and maintenance can be scheduled before breakdowns occur. This level of intelligence and flexibility is made possible by integrating digital technologies throughout the manufacturing process. Digitalization offers a wide range of benefits for manufacturing businesses. It helps reduce costs by improving efficiency and minimizing waste. Companies can respond more quickly to market changes and customer needs, giving them a competitive edge. Digital tools also enable better quality control and traceability, ensuring products meet high standards. Ultimately, digitalization helps businesses grow, innovate, and stay ahead in a rapidly changing industry. Digitalization is changing the way people work in manufacturing. While some tasks are automated, new opportunities are created for employees to focus on higher-value activities. Workers are now required to develop digital skills and adapt to new technologies. Training and upskilling are essential to ensure employees can thrive in a digital environment. This shift also leads to safer workplaces, as machines can handle dangerous or repetitive tasks. Despite its many benefits, digitalizing manufacturing comes with challenges. Companies may face high initial costs, integration issues, and resistance to change. Ensuring data security and privacy is also a major concern. Overcoming these challenges requires strong leadership, clear strategies, and ongoing investment in technology and people. By addressing these obstacles, manufacturers can unlock the full potential of digitalization. As manufacturing becomes more digital, cybersecurity becomes increasingly important. Connected machines and systems are vulnerable to cyberattacks, which can disrupt production and compromise sensitive data. Manufacturers must implement robust security measures, such as firewalls, encryption, and regular monitoring. Employee training is also crucial to prevent human errors that could lead to breaches. Protecting digital assets is essential for maintaining trust and business continuity. Cloud computing is a key enabler of digital manufacturing. It allows companies to store and access vast amounts of data securely and efficiently. Cloud platforms support collaboration between teams, suppliers, and customers, regardless of location. They also provide scalable resources for running advanced analytics and applications. By leveraging the cloud, manufacturers can innovate faster and respond to changing business needs with agility. Artificial intelligence is transforming manufacturing by enabling smarter decision-making and automation. AI algorithms can analyze complex data sets, detect patterns, and optimize production schedules. They can also predict equipment failures and recommend maintenance before problems occur. With AI, manufacturers can improve quality, reduce downtime, and increase productivity. The integration of AI is making factories more intelligent and responsive than ever before. Robotics and automation are central to digital manufacturing. Robots can handle repetitive, dangerous, or precise tasks with high efficiency. Automation systems coordinate workflows, ensuring smooth and consistent production. These technologies free up human workers for more creative and strategic roles. As robotics become more advanced, their integration with digital systems is driving even greater productivity and flexibility in manufacturing. Internet of Things connects machines, sensors, and devices across the manufacturing floor. IoT enables real-time monitoring, data collection, and remote control of equipment. This connectivity allows manufacturers to track performance, detect issues early, and optimize processes. IoT is a foundation for smart factories, making operations more transparent, efficient, and adaptable to change. Digital twin is a virtual replica of a physical product, process, or system. In manufacturing, digital twins are used to simulate and optimize operations before making changes in the real world. They help identify potential problems, test new ideas, and improve efficiency. By using digital twins, manufacturers can reduce risks, save costs, and accelerate innovation. Predictive maintenance uses data and analytics to anticipate equipment failures before they happen. By monitoring machine performance in real time, manufacturers can schedule maintenance only when needed, reducing downtime and costs. This approach extends the lifespan of equipment and ensures smoother operations. Predictive maintenance is a key benefit of digitalization, helping companies avoid unexpected breakdowns and maintain high productivity. Digitalization extends beyond the factory floor to the entire supply chain. Integrated digital systems allow manufacturers to collaborate with suppliers, track shipments, and manage inventory in real time. This visibility helps prevent delays, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction. A connected supply chain is more resilient and responsive to disruptions, ensuring smooth operations from raw materials to finished products. Digital technologies are transforming quality control in manufacturing. Automated inspection systems use cameras and sensors to detect defects quickly and accurately. Data analytics help identify trends and root causes of quality issues. By catching problems early, manufacturers can reduce waste, improve product consistency, and meet customer expectations. Digital quality control ensures that only the best products reach the market. Digitalization enables manufacturers to offer more customized products and adapt quickly to changing demands. Flexible production lines can switch between different products with minimal downtime. Digital tools allow for rapid design changes in small batch production, meeting the needs of diverse customers. This flexibility is a major advantage in today's fast-moving markets. Digital manufacturing supports sustainability by optimizing resource use and reducing waste. Data-driven insights help identify areas for improvement, such as energy consumption and material usage. Automated systems can adjust processes to minimize environmental impact. By embracing digitalization, manufacturers can achieve both economic and environmental goals, contributing to a greener future. Real-time monitoring is a cornerstone of digital manufacturing. Sensors and connected devices provide instant feedback on equipment performance and production status. This allows managers to detect issues immediately and take corrective action. Real-time data supports continuous improvement and helps maintain high standards of quality and efficiency throughout the manufacturing process. Digitalization fosters collaboration between humans and machines. Advanced interfaces and automation systems allow workers to interact with technology more intuitively. This partnership enhances productivity, safety, and job satisfaction. By combining human creativity with machine precision, manufacturers can achieve better results and drive innovation. Digital supply networks connect every part of the manufacturing value chain. These networks use real-time data to coordinate suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors. This connectivity improves visibility, reduces lead times, and enables faster responses to disruptions. Digital supply networks are essential for building resilient and agile manufacturing operations. Additive manufacturing, or 3D printing, is a digital process that builds products layer by layer. This technology allows for rapid prototyping, complex designs, and on-demand production. Additive manufacturing reduces material waste and enables customization at scale. It's a powerful tool for innovation and efficiency in modern factories. Successful digital transformation requires a clear strategy. Companies must assess their current capabilities, set goals, and invest in the right technologies. Leadership commitment and employee engagement are critical for driving change. Continuous learning and adaptation ensure that digital initiatives deliver lasting value. A well-planned strategy helps manufacturers navigate the complexities of digitalization. Managing change is essential for successful digitalization. Employees may be hesitant to adopt new technologies or processes. Clear communication, training, and support help ease the transition. Involving staff in decision-making and recognizing their contributions fosters a culture of innovation. Effective change management ensures that digital transformation is embraced at all levels. As manufacturing becomes more digital, developing digital skills is vital for employees. Training programs and continuous learning opportunities help workers adapt to new technologies. Digital skills include data analysis, programming, and understanding automation systems. Investing in people ensures that the workforce remains competitive and capable of driving digital transformation. Data analytics is a powerful tool for manufacturers. By analyzing production data, companies can identify trends, optimize processes, and make better decisions. Advanced analytics enable predictive maintenance, quality control, and supply chain optimization. Turning data into actionable insights is key to maximizing the benefits of digitalization. Digitalization allows manufacturers to put customers at the center of their operations. Real-time feedback and data-driven insights help companies understand customer needs and preferences. This enables personalized products, faster delivery, and improved service. Customer-centric manufacturing builds loyalty and drives business growth in a competitive market. Digital technologies enable remote monitoring and control of manufacturing operations. Managers can oversee production, track performance, and resolve issues from anywhere. This flexibility is especially valuable in today's globalized world, where teams may be distributed across different locations. Remote capabilities ensure business continuity and operational efficiency. Digitalization helps manufacturers manage energy use more effectively. Smart sensors and analytics track energy consumption in real time, identifying opportunities for savings. Automated systems can adjust operations to reduce energy waste and lower costs. Efficient energy management supports sustainability and improves the bottom line. Product lifecycle management (PLM) is enhanced by digitalization. Digital PLM systems track products from design to disposal, ensuring quality and compliance at every stage. These systems support collaboration, speed up development, and reduce errors. Digital PLM helps manufacturers bring better products to market faster and more efficiently. Augmented reality (AR) is finding its place in digital manufacturing. AR tools overlay digital information onto the physical world, helping workers with assembly, maintenance, and training. This technology improves accuracy, reduces errors, and speeds up complex tasks. AR is making manufacturing more interactive and efficient. Traceability is crucial in manufacturing, especially for quality and compliance. Digital systems track materials and products throughout the supply chain. This ensures transparency, helps identify issues quickly, and supports recalls if necessary. Digital traceability builds trust with customers and regulators. Compliance with regulations is easier with digital systems. Automated record keeping, real-time monitoring, and data analytics help manufacturers meet industry standards. Digitalization reduces the risk of errors and ensures timely reporting. Staying compliant protects companies from legal issues and enhances their reputation. Digitalization isn't just for large manufacturers. Small and medium-sized enterprises (SMEs) can also benefit from adopting digital tools. Cloud-based solutions and affordable automation make it easier for SMEs to compete. Digitalization helps small businesses improve efficiency, reduce costs, and reach new markets. Automotive industry is a leader in digital manufacturing. Car makers use robotics, AI, and IoT to streamline production and improve quality. Digital twins simulate vehicle performance, while connected supply chains ensure timely delivery of parts. These innovations help automotive companies stay ahead in a highly competitive market. Electronics manufacturers rely on digitalization to manage complex production processes. Automated assembly lines, real-time monitoring, and advanced analytics ensure high quality and efficiency. Digital tools also support rapid product development and customization. The electronics sector demonstrates how digitalization can drive innovation and growth. Food and beverage industry is embracing digitalization to improve safety, quality, and efficiency. Sensors monitor production conditions, while data analytics track ingredients and shelf life. Automation ensures consistent quality, and digital traceability supports food safety compliance. Digitalization is helping food producers meet consumer demands and regulatory requirements. Pharmaceutical manufacturers use digital technologies to ensure product quality and regulatory compliance. Automated systems monitor production, while data analytics track every batch. Digitalization supports faster development of new medicines and improves supply chain transparency. The result is safer, more effective products for patients. Future of digital manufacturing is full of exciting possibilities. Emerging technologies like edge computing, blockchain, and advanced robotics will further transform the industry. Manufacturers will continue to focus on sustainability, customization, and resilience. Staying ahead of these trends is essential for long-term success in a digital world. A successful digital transformation depends on building a digital culture. This means encouraging innovation, collaboration, and continuous learning. Leaders must set the tone by embracing change and supporting their teams. A strong digital culture empowers employees to experiment, share ideas, and drive progress. Measuring the success of digitalization is crucial for continuous improvement. Key performance indicators, KPIs such as productivity, quality, and customer satisfaction help track progress. Regular reviews and data analysis ensure that digital initiatives deliver the desired results. By measuring success, manufacturers can refine their strategies and achieve lasting value. Overcoming barriers to digitalization requires determination and flexibility. Common obstacles include legacy systems, skill gaps, and budget constraints. Companies must prioritize investments, seek external expertise, and foster a culture of learning. By addressing these challenges head-on, manufacturers can unlock the full benefits of digital transformation. Digitalization is reshaping the manufacturing landscape, offering new opportunities for growth, efficiency, and innovation. By embracing digital technologies, manufacturers can stay competitive and meet the evolving needs of customers and markets. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are significant. As we look to the future, digitalization will continue to drive progress and transform the way we make things. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the digital future of manufacturing.